I want you to see Mr. Big Boy Noah and his new birthday table and chair, eating his Cheerios with his new bowl and his new spoon. Say, Mama, this is awesome. I'm all grown up. It's okay, no, Mama, you claim me back. Don't make a mess. You know what's funny? Is this little silver spoon that he's holding? We bought it at IKEA, and what it is, it's a tea party spoon set. You know, for toys, but I just thought it was just perfectly sized for him, so I have to show you how cute this is. Awesome! This is his little drawer area. See, he's got his own little Noah spoon, his fork, his knife, and his little, I guess, to stir his tea or something. But that's inside of our drawer. Isn't that awesome? So he's eating his cereal at his table. Is it good, Noah? Noah, is it good? Signing off.